What's going on with y'all, man? I think you're gonna really like this video right here. This is our Why I Choose Palmetto Say Armory Part 2. This is our suppressive fire drill. 2 magazines, 58 rounds downrange, as fast as I can get back on target. One of my Facebook friends, we'll call him once again JB, the AK fanatic. He said he liked to mess with me with Palmetto Say Armory rifles. He told me that if you run Palmetto Say Armory rifles hard, they'll break. So what I did today was I ran my rifle as hard as I possibly could. I'm shooting as quick as I can get back on target and put another accurate round downrange. This is our suppressive fire drill. If anybody ever tell you that you can't run Palmetto Say Army rifles hard, you make sure you show them this video. I think y'all really gonna enjoy this. Also, I forgot to mention the full video is once again available on my YouTube channel. This is the edited version, so we won't have a whole 16, 17-minute video. So let's get to the video. So this is our nice clean target. We're about to go ahead and do our second volley of the day. And this is going to be kind of our suppressive fire volley. I really don't like to call it a suppressive fire volley because I'm not really doing suppressive fire, which would be more of a rate of fire like boom, 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 boom. I'm just shooting as fast as I can get back on target and put another accurate shot downrange. So if you want to call that suppressive fire, you can. Maybe not. But you pretty much get the idea of what I'm saying. You'll hear the rate of fire once we start shooting. And we're going to do 2 magazines too, because I'm trying to hurry up and finish with the 16-inch so I can move on to the AR-308.
I haven't seen it for a while. The one we have keep trying to. Yeah, I haven't seen it for weeks.
Oh, really? Okay. All right, thank you.
Yes, sir. The target area is clear. Shooters, make sure you have your eye and ear protection on. Range is high, you make a misfire.
Alright, let's finish up with the 16-inch chrome line from Palmetto Say Army. I like how that bipod jump. I need a lot. That barrel is smoking. 16-inch chrome line palmetto say Armory FN barrel, 1-7 twist. That thing is smoking. See what the groupings look like when we call it here.
If the range is called, you may go forward and swap your targets.
So we are going down here to see what we did with our 16-inch chrome line 1-7 twist palmetto state Armory FN upper. Now, yesterday online somebody said that if you run palmetto state Armory rifles hard, they'll break. Well, as I just showed you, I just ran me 2 magazines, suppressive fire, downrange. The rifle did not break, and these are the groupings that we are holding. Shooting at the rate of fire that I was shooting. That is what we got right there. Now I'm gonna hold it right there, so if you want to count them in CR60 you can, but yeah, that's what we got right there. We had a few little flies right here, but that's still more than acceptable though. So I guess palmetto say Armory rifles will not break if you run them hard. Interesting.